The gods delivered you to me because you have something. It pours out of you. Never let it go.
Is this how Rome treats its heroes?
What we do in life echoes in eternity.
Gladiator.
Gladiator!
Gladiator. Gladiator.
Gladiator.
Gladiator.
Gladiator.
Gladiator!
This is your gladiator.
It is.
The gods have rendered their judgment.
Emperor Gator is a sadistic, ruthless emperor. He rules Rome alongside his fraternal twin, Emperor Caracalla.
Because we're split as emperors, it enables for us to be more broken.
They're motivated by fear of losing power.
The Praetorians will put down this crowd like they have every other.
What's the difference between evil and wicked? They were just awful, but they did it with a smile.
The gods!